We're in the back. This is on a Whirlpool refrigerator, French door style. Now, sometimes you need to change this drain tube, and it's always difficult to actually get a good angle. So we have a cutaway, and it's a perfect time to actually show you guys how to properly install it and how to get it in. It's very difficult as you're sitting down on the ground. So let me show you. All right, I'm gonna start by getting this up top. You're gonna have a screw, but once you get that pushed up, we can always turn it. Right now, we need to slide this piece under. You're gonna press down on it. And that's it. And now you want to make sure you get your screw. It's a 1/4 inch screw. Just insert the screw there. We're actually keeping this drain tube, so we're going to be removing it back. And also, to remove your old one, you would remove the screw and pull down. And guys, it's super important, if this is not installed correctly, you could have a lot of frost building up in your unit. Also, if this is damaged, you will have warm air being sucked in, and it's going to cause your unit to frost up as well. Super important. These are the best drain tube. Whirlpool actually is using them again, so we do like them. And again, to pull out, you just pull up, all the way up, and it comes out. All right, thanks for watching.